What looks like a cross between a heron, a chicken, and a ghost? Meet the kagu, one of the world's strangest and rarest birds. Found only on a tiny Pacific island, this bird has survived dinosaurs, evolved bizarre features, and developed abilities unlike almost anything else alive today. Here are 50 fascinating facts about the incredible kagu. 1. The kagu is found only in New Caledonia, a French territory in the Pacific Ocean. 2. It's so unique that scientists placed it in its own bird family. 3. The kagu cannot fly. 4. Despite being flightless, it still has large wings. 5. Those wings are mainly used for display and balance. 6. When threatened, the kagu spreads its wings dramatically like a living fan. 7. Its feathers are pale gray, giving it a ghost-like appearance in forests. 8. Many people call it the ghost of the forest. 9. The kagu has bright red legs and a vivid orange beak. 10. It also has striking crimson eyes. 11. One of its most unusual features is the crest on its head. 12. The crest can be raised when the bird is excited or alarmed. 13. Kagus are roughly the size of a chicken. 14. They can weigh up to about 1 kilogram. 15. The kagu's scientific name is Rhinoceros jubatus. 16. That name roughly means crested nose-bearer. 17. The bird's nostrils are covered by special flaps. 18. Those flaps help keep dirt out while it searches the forest floor. 19. Kagus mainly hunt worms, insects, and small lizards. 20. They use their beaks to probe through leaves and soil. 21. Unlike many birds, kagus are active mostly during the day. 22. They are very territorial animals. 23. Mated pairs often defend the same territory for years. 24. Kagus communicate with loud barking calls. 25. Their duet calls can echo through the forest. 26. A pair often sings together at dawn. 27. Young kagus stay with their parents for surprisingly long periods. 28. The species reproduces very slowly. 29. Usually only one egg is laid at a time. 30. Both parents help incubate the egg. 31. The chick is covered in soft brown down after hatching. 32. Baby kagus can walk shortly after birth. 33. The kagu evolved in isolation for millions of years. 34. Because New Caledonia had very few predators, the bird lost the ability to fly. 35. But that became a huge problem when humans arrived. 36. Introduced dogs, cats, and rats began hunting kagus. 37. Habitat destruction also threatened the species. 38. At one point, scientists feared the kagu might go extinct. 39. Today, conservation programs are helping populations recover. 40. Protected parks in New Caledonia are critical for survival. 41. One important refuge is Parc Provincial de la Rivière Bleue. Some wild kagus there are surprisingly tame around humans. 43. Kagus are considered a national symbol of New Caledonia. 44. The bird appears in local culture and artwork. 45. Its call is one of the most recognizable sounds in New Caledonian forests. 46. Scientists once struggled to determine the kagu's closest relatives. 47. Modern DNA studies show it's related to the sunbittern of Central and South America. 48. That relationship hints at ancient continental connections. 49. The kagu is often described as a living fossil. 50. And despite all the odds, this extraordinary bird is still walking the forests of New Caledonia today. The kagu is proof that evolution can create creatures stranger than fiction. A flightless forest ghost with barking calls, hidden nostrils, and dinosaur-era roots. There's truly nothing else like it on Earth.